In this series, we have under 100 hours to buy, build, and take our van cross-country. But first, building it from upcycled materials, making it our best build layout ever, with a budget of only $6,000.
Of all the videos we saw on YouTube, it's not easy at all.
No, it's not.
This is a pain. This is the most difficult thing I've ever done.
But it's worth it.
Yeah, I hope so. What you doing?
Rubbish hunting. What we do best. We're upcycling our fit out for our van. Yeah, so in Sydney, they have like big rubbish collection, and here they just took off the whole fence, dumped it. We don't know what we're gonna use them for, but they look really freshly painted. No mold. They look good.
Today we are making the bed.
Yes.
And we are making it with the fence that we found on the street.
Yeah, we had an idea with the slats now as a scissor function. So sort of like a pull-out bed, and then would be like a sofa during the day and a bed at night.
Right, this is the fence. It's pretty heavy. It looks like the perfect slats for the bed frame. But we have to take off all the nails from fence.
Yeah, there's a lot of like dirt. The fence has been like, you know, in the ground, in the soil. There's some mold, so we're gonna grind it away and take off all the nails. Just grind them out because we want to keep the. Basically, they've put putty on top of the nails, but what we want to do is just keep the integrity and like the nice clean look of it, and just grind the nails off.
Yeah, that would be less work for us, because if we take them off, then we have to fill up the hole.
The wood looks good.
So yeah, my job today is to take off the slats from the main wood, and Rob is gonna grind the nails.
Yeah, and this all is like easily $200.
Oh yeah.
Brand new. So we're just gonna repurpose it.
We managed to figure out how to make the frame.
It's a nice outfit, huh?
Yeah, right. Okay, so this is the skeleton of the bed, right? We want it 1.9 meters long, and we want it 120 wide. This is how it's gonna work. This is gonna be the big base that is gonna be fixed, and then we have on top the slide off. So what we have to do is we measure everything. So basically the slats will go, and this one will like this, and that will be the second part of the bed.
We created the frame.
We alternate
the pattern you can see clearly on the video, and we did that structurally. So if we just put it like a box, it doesn't work. It canters left and right, and it's just not well. So Kiara did this for me because I'm terrible at measuring and cutting things. I can do metal, but on wood, Kiara's better. So Kiara did that one, and I'm glad she did. So that was this is the main thing to get done first.
Now we're gonna put all the slats on top and see how many we need. And we decided to cut them once we put them on.
Yeah.
Because they're all different sizes. And of course it's like the fence.
Yeah.
And they're just the measure that we need.
They're just the measure that
because the shortest one we have is 65 centimeters, and we need a 64.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're lucky.
To assemble the slats, we put 1.5 millimeter spacers between. But later, we realized that at least 5 millimeters would have been better, so they don't rub against each other, making it harder to open.
Pretty happy with the result, I have to say. We have to figure out now the
problem.
The sliding effect.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
It's pretty good. Are you happy?
I'm happy.
I'm so happy. It's 7 p.m. We started at 10 this morning. Yeah. So yeah. Today we're cutting the mattress, and we're taking care of the cushions of our sofa and bed. It's quite tricky because the sizes of our mattress are custom made. So there's no sizes available on the market unless you get it custom made from a specific foam shop. We got a quote for $500, and so we decided to go with the simplest idea ever: get a mattress from IKEA, a foam double mattress, and we just cut it. So that's what we're doing now. We are cutting the foam, and the trick is to use a bread knife for cutting this type of foam. You have to go like in long strokes until you go, you know, deep, one layer at a time. Don't go like sewing like I did at the beginning and it was all crooked. But if you go in long strokes, then it's super easy. And yeah, I don't know, here is every day, it's day by day, step by step.
Okay, now we're nice and rested. Now we're gonna have the bed, we cut it in half. Not exactly in half, but 3/4. And we're gonna put the larger half with hinges. So it's gonna be more like a storage, an accessible storage from the top. And we had to measure as I would sit down. So this was the height that we ended up doing. We put a bar of wood that we found on the street that Kiara was able to get for free. And we found the sheet metal behind the panel, the plastic panel. So we marked it, we put sheet metal screws, 1, 2, 3. Now it's nice and level. And this is the height that we need in order for me to sit, including the mattress that's gonna go on the bed. So I'm basically gonna be like perfect.
Just
perfect. Okay.
Of all the videos we saw on YouTube, they were like easy expandable bed. What was it called?
Easy scissor bed.
Scissors bed. It's not easy at all.
No, it's not.
This is a pain. This is the most difficult thing I ever done.
But it's worth it.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm so tired.
So we did it. We put the hinges on. So this is the frame, and underneath we're gonna put the pull-out drawer that's gonna go
all the way here.
It's gonna go all the way out to the van. If we want to access anything from the cabinet, we just lift up, and we have all the cookware or whatever it is we need out of the drawer. I'm pretty happy with it because it slides out. Well, it's not yet. That's the idea, right?
This is never ending. We have 6 weeks left to finish this project.
And this is the hardest part.
I don't know why all these YouTubers and people we watch, like, they make it look so easy.
Yeah. Well, they plan. We don't. We just do it.
This is our first time and we're like so happy for what we achieved until now. So yeah, that's pretty good.
It's coming together slowly.
It's coming together. All right.
So tomorrow we're gonna do
the rest.
The cabinet, which is the bottom frame of the bed. Yeah. Cool.
I'm over it. If you're building a van and you're watching us to see how to do it, learn from our mistakes. If you're just watching to have a laugh, then you're welcome. We built the whole frame of the bed, but I think it would have been much better if we built the box under first and then you sit the frame on top. Because like this we are measuring like 10 times, the van is not level, so it's like double the amount of work. Pretty much. But we didn't know, we're learning this. So next bed, we will know where to start from. So now today we're gonna build the actual box that goes under. It's not just a bed. So we're gonna build the walls, the side walls, they go here. And then all this will be a sliding drawer for our kitchen. That's our idea.
Perfect.
Stop it.